recording already.
See the moth right there? Come on, Kazi, get the moth. Get the moth. There's the moth. There's that fat cat.
Oh!
There's that moth.
Videotape him. You want help?
Yeah, help him, help him.
There it is. There it is. Look. Cosmo, right here. Did it go in there?
Yeah.
You'd videotape. Back up.
Where'd he go? There's that fat cat.
Oh, he's got it.
He does?
I thought. Yep, he's got
Yep,
it.
he ate it. Woo woo! That's our fat cat.
Good job, Cosmo. Woohoo!
Here, I'm done. Yeah, you're a fatty.